Welcome back with exercise 10.1. In question 1, it is given, they have asked, draw a quadrilateral in the Cartesian plane whose vertices are given and also find its area. Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane means on the graph you have to draw. Okay, so on the graph you have to draw with the vertices given. So after plotting it, let these coordinates represented as A, B, C and D, and after plotting the values in on the graph you will get the figure in this way. Now the question is find its area. Now you have to find out its area. If you will look over here, the coordinates of A as -4 and 5, coordinate of A -4 and 5, and coordinate of D is -4 and -2. So this line is parallel to this y-axis. So what do you observe here? In this case, ADEB is a trapezium. So the area of this whole figure of this quadrilateral is area of trapezium plus this is a trapezium. And what about a trapezium? You will name it here, that is ADEB, trapezium AEDB plus this shape, this is in the form of triangle BEC plus area of triangle BEC. Now you can find out its answer yourself. Okay, so area of trapezium formula is half into sum of the parallel sides into height, half into sum of the parallel sides. Sum of the parallel sides you can find out from here by the coordinates and into height. And area of triangle, you know it very well, that is by using the area of triangle formula if 3 coordinates of a triangle are given. Okay, now come to question 2. In question 2, it is given the base of an equilateral triangle with side 2A lies along y-axis. The base lies on y-axis whose side is 2A such that the midpoint of its base is at origin. The midpoint of the base is at origin. It means the same distance on both sides of the base will be there. So let the figure is like this. It's given that the whole side is 2A and midpoint is at origin. So the coordinate of y in this case will be 0 and A, and here it will be 0 and -A, isn't it? अब यहाँ पर क्वेश्चन में लिखा हुआ है, it is written that it's an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So we will take, let the coordinate. अब ये जो equilateral triangle है, it can be either on positive x-axis or it can be the other vertex will be on the negative x-axis. Okay, so we will take its coordinates as plus minus x and 0. We will take it like this. Okay, we will take it like this. Now the question is find the vertices of the triangle. Find the vertices of the triangle. So these two vertices are given here. So we have to find out this vertex. Okay, so this vertex we have to find out. Either you can make the equilateral triangle on both sides. तो उसमें क्या होगा? You will get same vertices. One should be positive, another one will be negative. So it will be good if you will make it on the same side by taking it as plus minus. Now from here the area of an equilateral triangle is √3/4 side square, √3/4 side square, and the triangle area, let it as A, B and C. The triangle area is also equals to half into base into height. So we can equate them together. So it will be root 3 by 4. What should be side? It's an equilateral triangle. So side will be 2a. 2a whole square equal half base. Base is 2a and height is from here to here. This is the height. So height will be, you can take it as plus minus x. Okay, positive and negative. Otherwise, you have to do it with the two other ways. That first you will take it plus x, and in other case you will take it as minus x. So it will be good if you will write it like this. So cancel it. From here also, if you will open it, 4 will be cancelled out. So it will be a square. A multiply plus minus x. ये cancel हो गया. So x will be plus minus root 3a. You will get it this one. So x you will get it plus minus root 3a. So what should be the vertices of the triangle? Therefore, the vertices of triangle ABC are, what it should be? 0a, then 0 minus a. First we will take plus, so it will be root 3a and 0 plus 1, or it can be 0a, then 0 minus a. Now you can take the other coordinate as negative, minus root 3a 0. Is it clear? Like this you can do it. Now question number 3. In question number 3, it is written, find the distance between P and Q when PQ is parallel to y-axis, and second one is PQ is parallel to x-axis. Look over here. If we will take it as PQ is parallel to y-axis, y-axis के parallel है, so it will be like this. This P as, let it be x1, y1, and Q, we can take it as x2, y2. So what do you observe in this case? If PQ is parallel to y-axis, then the value of x1 and x2, the value of x1 and x2 should be same because it lies on this point. Is it? So if first part, if PQ parallel y-axis is parallel to y-axis, then what will you get it? x1 should be equals to x2, then x1 equal x2, or we can say shift it, x1 minus x2 equal 0. Isn't it? If you will observe, ये देखिए, both the coordinates will lie on this x-axis. So it will be possible only if x1 and x2 are equal. Now we will find out the distance between PQ by using the distance formula. PQ is square root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, y1 square. Now x1 minus x2 equals to 0 in this case, or x2 minus x1 also you can take it. So it will be 0 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So if you will solve it, so it will be y2 minus y1. The distance between PQ will be y2 minus y1, or it can be in reverse also, y1 minus y2 also. If you will take this thing, okay. Now, second part. In second part, it is PQ is parallel to x-axis. So how will you make the figure? Here, this is y and x. PQ is parallel to x-axis. अगर ये x-axis के parallel है, so the line will be like this. So suppose that this is P and this is Q. So P coordinate as x1, y1 and Q coordinate as x2, y2. We can write it like this. Now, what do you observe here? If PQ is parallel to x-axis, then the y1 and y2 value will be same. So, if PQ parallel x-axis, then your y1 and y2 value will be equal. So, from here, y2 minus y1 equals 0. Now we will find out the distance by using distance formula. So PQ, same procedure we will use it. PQ equal x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square. So from here y2 minus y1 equals 0. So this part will be 0. So it will be square root of x2 minus x1 square. Only this will be left out. So what it should be? Square root will be cancelled out. So it will come as x2 minus x1. This will be the distance of PQ if it is parallel to x-axis. Question 4th. In question 4th, it is written find a point on x-axis. Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from these 2 points. This concept we did it in the 10th class also. Point on x-axis. So take it as, let the coordinates as x0. Point on x-axis, so y value will be 0 and which is equidistant from these two. So it means that PA equal PB. Now use the distance formula to get the answer. X2 minus x1 square minus 7 square plus 0 minus 6 square equals square root PB. X minus 3 square plus 0 minus 4 square. I think now you can solve it further to get the value of x. So it will be a square plus b square minus 14x plus 36. Here x square plus 9, 6x plus 16. Cancel कीजिए and solve it further to get the value of x. So you will get the point on x-axis. Is it clear? Now question 5. In question 5 it is written find the slope of a line. एक लाइन का slope निकालना है which passes through the origin. That slope is passing through the origin. So one coordinate will be 0, 0 and the midpoint of the line segment joining these two. So एक ऐसी लाइन जिसका स्लोप निकालना है उसका एक पॉइंट इज one point is passing through the origin and the another point is passing through the midpoint of these two. So we will get, by using the midpoint concept, we will get one coordinate and one coordinate is 0, 0. So two coordinates are there. Then how to find out the slope? Slope is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So first we will find out the midpoint of PB. What is the formula? Midpoint x1 plus x2 upon 2. So 0 plus 4 upon 0 plus 8 upon 2, so 4, and minus 4 plus 0 upon 2, so minus 2. So these are the one coordinate and the origin is 0, 0. अब question क्या है? You have to find out the slope of a line which passing through these 2 points. So slope of a line slope of a line, if two coordinates are given, then what it should be? x2 minus x1 upon y2 minus y1. Now in this you will, sorry, I have written it here. It will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So in this we will apply the value over here. y2 minus y1, you can take it as x1 y1, and this you can take it as x2 y2. So y2 minus y1, so it will be 0 minus of minus 2 upon x2 minus x1, 0 minus 4. So it will be 2 upon minus 4. Now since the slope is negative over here, you are getting it as minus half. So negative slope means the value of theta is more than 90 degree, or we can say if it is negative, then the theta will be obtuse angle. Okay, will be obtuse angle. So the negative sign means the theta will be obtuse angle. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.